My brain is a beautiful garden full of colorful thoughts. If I want it to stay good, I must always be kind.
My brain really wants food, fruit, vegetables, nuts, water. Fish and eggs and milk makes my brain pleasant.
Fast food and soda, no. Sugar and chips, too bad.
If I eat too much of these, my brain will be tired and lonely.
My brain likes to jump, run, play, jump, ball. Always makes me happy and cute. If I sit too much, my brain sleeps, stays still. So I jump, laugh,
So I always stay smart. Hey! The brain likes to learn something, read stories, write something, do math, solve puzzles, so it never gets lazy.
language, beautiful poems makes my brain smart.
So I read, I think, so I always stay wise. Break of sleep, brain power. My brain gets tired at night. It likes to sleep somewhere. If I go to bed early, it will be happy. If I go to bed late, it will be bad.
So I go to bed early, I sleep soundly and softly. When I wake up in the morning, I am full of energy. I feel full of light and sunshine.
My brain loves laughter. It loves